Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog, and today we're decorating another envelope. The reason why I love envelope decorating so much is because you basically start with a blank canvas and you can go from there. What I decided to do for this envelope, which was for a flipbook I made for Kayleigh, I also did a video on that where Brittany did my voiceover. If you want to watch that, I will link it down below. But for this envelope, I decided to go with the theme matching that flipbook. And the flipbook I made was with all of those beautiful Maggie Holmes papers. So I decided to make the envelope Maggie Holmes styled as well. And then I have some of that vintage music note paper that I wanted to use for that. That blue thing you see is basically a template, like a label template that I bought at HEMA, and I wanted to cut out, just make a label for the address. By the way, if you follow me on Instagram, you may be surprised that I'm uploading a video today, and let me tell you, I am too. And if you're wondering why I sound like this, it's because I am sick. And when I say sick, I mean sick. I never get sick, but now I'm so sick, you guys. I have a stomach flu. I've had it since Tuesday. I'm bored and I'm sick and I am slow and I have zero energy, but I don't know, my YouTube channel is kind of important. I think my YouTube channel is important, so here I am making a video. But I have to admit that I didn't actually do that much this week. I was planning on filming 2 videos this week. 2 videos and editing a whole lot as well. But I didn't get any of that done, so... but yeah, like I said, I'm allowing myself to be sick. Kind of, I guess. And what I'm trying to do is I want to use that music paper scrap, and then I'm trying to cut a piece of paper that's like covering the rest of the envelope, if that makes sense. But yeah, I think I did it wrong. I don't actually remember because I did this back in November. I just never managed to upload this video. But in the end, it's all working out, don't worry. I love actually mixing like the vintage music paper with the Maggie Holmes because it kind of matches her style, I think. By the way, if you don't know who Maggie Holmes is, that's like the lady who designed all of those beautiful papers I love using. But okay, I was talking about being sick, I think. So stomach flu, yay, fun, really fun. I can do absolutely nothing but lay on the couch and watch Netflix or YouTube. I even watched Dr. Phil yesterday, which is how I know I'm sick, because I have nothing else left to watch. Like I was hoping to do so much crafting this week. By the way, I'm going to use my distress oxides and a stencil to make like a really cool little design on the back. I was hoping to do so much crafting this week. I did that challenge, like the 30 days, 30 letters challenge, and I only managed to do around 20, which is okay, but I thought I would like try and make some more meal in the last days of that challenge, and then I got sick, and I got so sick and I didn't do anything. Like, you would think that being sick is like the perfect time to do crafting, but I cannot actually sit up for very long. Like, I can only lay down, which is very boring. Let me tell you that. Also, you may or may not know that I always try to link all of the products I have used down below. The thumbs up meant that I liked the tea, which is strange because I think it was like a chocolate dessert flavored tea. I mean, chocolate dessert, yes. Tea, yes. Chocolate dessert flavored tea. Wow, I'm so confused. I did not know that I would like that, but apparently I did. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, I always try to link the products I use. I have to admit that, for example, the Maggie Holmes paper, I will not link that because everyone buys it in a different place, but I will always try to like mention the name. if I can. But for example, those distress oxides that I'm using, I will link those, and also the Nuvo drops that I'm bringing in now. Those are just pre-made Nuvo drops on some used sticker paper. I will link those because you can buy them at CraftStash, which is this website that I have an affiliation program with. And that basically means that if you guys click that link and end up buying something, I get a small percentage, which is very awesome because, believe it or not, but crafting is an expensive hobby and YouTube doesn't actually make any money. And also because I'm sick this week. Oh, I'm so stupid, you guys. I always tell you guys these personal things, so might as well include this. I am so stupid. Like, I work for, like, I'm getting paid with this payroll account for my job, like my waitressing job. And I was supposed to call in sick with them as well. And at first I forgot because I'm never sick. And then after that I was kind of scared. Like I was too afraid to call them because I was afraid that, I don't know, they would ask me hard questions or something. But okay, later today I figured I'm finally gonna call them. I've been sick for a couple of days. And then turns out that if I would have called them the day I got sick, I would have gotten my normal week salary. Like, how stupid am I? Simply because I was too afraid to call, I'm missing out on a week's salary. Like, as a waitress, you don't make much, so that would have been very welcome, but okay. I mean, lesson learned. Next time I'm gonna call them straight away. So, yeah, okay. That is, by the way, a Maggie Holmes sticker book. I love it. There are so many stickers in there. I don't use it often because it's so pretty. I don't actually want to use it. I think I wrote hey or hi with those golden stickers. I don't know what I'm doing now. Where did I go? Oh yes, and then those are stickers also very special that say ThePaperLetterBlog, and then it's like shiny, like glittery. I don't know how else to explain it. I had them made. Very cool. Very, very cool. So that if you receive an envelope that says that, you immediately know it's me. I don't know, just like the my address label wouldn't say that already. Okay, I'm redoing a part of the voiceover because I'm so sorry I keep blowing into the microphone. I hope you guys aren't wearing earphones. Earbuds, I don't know how you call them. This is a little up close, and you can also see the ThePaperLetterBlog sticker on the left. Cool, right? I love it. I don't actually use it often because, I don't know, I'm a bit of a hoarder. And then these are my address stickers, which is also kind of matching because that die cut, that image I used, like the lemon thing, is also from Maggie Holmes. But okay, what I said before is that I'm actually going to go to music now. This video isn't over yet. I'm also going to make a wax seal stamp, even though I'm waving. But I don't know, I cannot talk anymore. I don't really have the energy, and I also have nothing to talk about. So that's a little sneak peek of the flip book I made for Kayleigh. If you want to see that with Brittany's voiceover, I will link it down below. Yeah, I'm very sorry that this video isn't what you're used of me, but I hope you guys understand because I'm not going to say it again, but yeah, there are circumstances. Also, if you're still here, I would be very grateful if you would interact with this video. That basically means that you leave a comment or a thumbs up, or you share it, or I don't know, you put it in a playlist or something like that, because that really helps my channel. It helps me grow, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that, but I would be very grateful. And I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I will be better then. But if not, we will see. Okay, have a good weekend, guys. Bye bye.